Hello guys, welcome back to Top Tech channel. Today I'm gonna show you new iOS 14 and it have a back tap new trick on iPhone. Now we go to setting and check your software version. It's 14 or later. And then back and go to accessibility, touch, scroll down and back tab new tick, and here double tap and triple tap. Double tap for me and choose for lock screen, and triple tap for assistive type. Now we test it. Wont to it's lock screen. And 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. It have assistive type. It have a lot of tip. Double tap on back. You can control center which one you want to put, home or lock screen, mode, on notification center, and anything else on this. Double tap on lock screen and check, and triple tap for mode. Now test it. Double tap for lock screen. One, two. Here it's lock screen. And triple tap for mode. 1, 2, 3. 3. Triple tap for mode. 1, 2, 3. Ow, it's still lock screen. Let's check. Triple tap for mode and double tap for short screen. 1, 2, 3. It's mode. 1, 2, short screen. 1, 2, short screen. 1, 2, 3, and mode on. 1, 2, 3, mode off. Now for more, you can triple tap for speak the screen. Change speak screen and double tap for speak screen. Oh, it is same. Double tap for notification center. Now let me check. Double tap for notification center. 1, 2. Here. 1, 2. Home screen. And triple tap for speak screen. Yeah, check. 1, 2, 3.
SK 8862.
Okay. Check Safari. Scan it. iPhone. Check. So chat. Is it 1, 2, 3?
Global nav open menu. Apple. Shopping bag. iPhone 12 Pro. New. iPhone 12. New. SE. iPhone 11. iPhone CR. Compare. AirPods. New. Accessories. Apple Card.
It can read on the screen and have the text. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel. For more video, subscribe on top the channel.